Here's the exact system I used to go from $0 to $10,000 a month with AI. 5 pillars. That's it. Pillar 1, pick your path. Pillar 2, build your AI stack. Pillar 3, create your offer. Pillar 4, get customers. Pillar 5, scale with systems. If you follow this roadmap, you will have a real business that makes real money using AI tools that exist right now. I've helped over 60,000 students start online businesses, built a 7-figure company using the exact system I'm about to share. This is the video I wish someone gave me when I was starting out. Let's get into Pillar 1. Pillar 1, pick your path. There are 3 main ways to make money with AI right now. Path 1, affiliate marketing. This is where I started. You create content. You recommend AI tools. You earn a commission every time someone signs up. No product to build, no customer service, just content and recommendations. Path 2, digital products. This is where the real money is. You take what you know, package it into a course, a guide, a template, or a community. Then you use AI to create the content that sells it. Path 3, AI services. You sell AI skills to local businesses, video creation, content writing, automation. Businesses will pay you because they don't have time to learn this stuff themselves. Now, here's the move most people miss. You don't pick just one, you stack them. Start with affiliate marketing to make your first dollars. Then create a digital product to build real income. Then add services if you want to scale even further. This is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem, and it's the fastest path to 10K a month I've ever seen. Which path you start with depends on where you are right now. If you're brand new, start with affiliates. If you have knowledge to share, go straight to digital products. If you want quick cash, sell services to local businesses. Pick your path. Then move to Pillar 2. Pillar 2, build your AI stack. You don't need 50 tools, you need the right 8. Here's exactly what I use. For thinking and writing, I use Claude and ChatGPT. Claude is better for long-form content, strategy, and deep thinking. ChatGPT is better for quick tasks, research, and its newer features like agent mode. I use both daily. For research and real-time information, I use Gemini. It's connected to Google, so it always has the latest data. For building software and apps, I use Manus and Lovable. These let you create real tools without writing code. I've built software products that made over $28,000 using tools like these. For video content, I use HeyGen and Descript. HeyGen creates AI clone videos like this one. Descript edits them and makes the whole process fast. For voice, I use 11 Labs. It clones your voice so you can create audio content at scale. That's it. 8 tools: Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Manus, Lovable, HeyGen, Descript, 11 Labs. With this stack, you can write content, build products, create videos, and automate almost anything. You don't need more tools. You need to master these. Now let's talk about how to actually make money. Pillar 3, create your offer. This is where most people get stuck. They learn the tools, they consume the content, but they never actually create something to sell. Let me make this simple. If you're starting with affiliate marketing, your offer is already done. You recommend tools you actually use. You sign up for their affiliate programs. You create content that helps people understand why they need that tool. Every sign up, you get paid. But here's where the real money comes in. Digital products. A digital product is anything you create once and sell forever. A course, a guide, a template pack, a community, a software tool. The fastest way to create one is to solve a problem you already solved. What do you know that others are still struggling with? Package that into a simple offer. It doesn't have to be complicated. My first digital product was a simple guide. It made money while I slept. Now here's the pricing mistake most people make. They charge too little. If your product saves someone 10 hours of work, that's worth hundreds of dollars. If it helps them make money, it's worth even more. Don't price based on what you feel comfortable asking. Price based on the value you deliver. Start with one offer, one product, one thing you can point people to and say, this is how I can help you. That's Pillar 3. Now you need customers. Pillar 4, get customers. You have your path, you have your tools, you have your offer. Now you need people to see it. Here's the traffic machine I use every single day. Step 1, Create content on YouTube. YouTube is the best platform for building trust and authority. One video can bring you customers for years. I've had videos from 2 years ago still making sales today. Step 2. Build your email list. This is the real asset. Social media followers can disappear overnight, but your email list, that's yours forever. I have over 600,000 email subscribers. That list has made me millions. Every piece of content you create should drive people to your email list. Step 3, send emails that actually help. Don't just sell, teach, share, provide value. When you help people consistently, they trust you. And when you recommend something, they buy. Here's the flow. YouTube video brings them in. Email opt-in captures them. Email sequence builds trust. Offer makes money. That's the machine. To get your first 1,000 subscribers, focus on one platform. Create content consistently. Give away something valuable for free in exchange for their email. Do that for 90 days and you'll have a real audience. Now let's talk about how to scale without burning out. Pillar 5. Scale with systems. Here's the trap most people fall into. They start making money, then they work more and more to make more and more, and suddenly they've built a job, not a business. The whole point of using AI is to break that cycle. Here's how I scale without burning out. System 1, AI clone for content. This video right now is made with my AI clone. I can create 10 times more content than I could on my own. That means more reach, more leads, more sales without more of my time. System 2, automated delivery. When someone buys my product, they get access automatically. No manual work, no fulfillment headaches. The sale happens. The delivery happens. I don't touch anything. System 3, email automation. My email sequences run on autopilot. Someone joins my list. They get value for weeks without me writing a single new email. System 4, repurposing. One long video becomes 10 short clips, becomes 5 tweets, becomes 3 emails. You create once, AI multiplies it everywhere. This is the difference between making money and building wealth. Money comes from work. Wealth comes from systems. When your business runs, even when you're not working, that's freedom. And that's the whole point. Let me tie this all together. Let me recap what you just learned. Pillar 1, pick your path. Affiliate marketing, digital products or services. Stack them over time. Pillar 2, build your AI stack. 8 tools. Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, Manus, Lovable, HeyGen, Descript, 11 Labs. Pillar 3, create your offer. Solve a problem, package it, price it for value. Pillar 4, get customers. YouTube brings them in, email captures them, trust converts them. Pillar 5, scale with systems, AI clone, automation, repurposing, build wealth, not just income. That's the complete roadmap. 5 pillars. 10K a month, no complicated tech, just the right strategy with the right tools. Here's the truth. AI is the biggest opportunity I've seen in my entire life. The tools that exist right now would have cost hundreds of thousands of dollars just a few years ago. Now they're available to anyone. The people who learn to use them are going to build things that were previously impossible. One-person businesses doing the work of entire teams. The question is whether you'll be one of them. If you want help implementing this roadmap, I created something called the AI Freedom Launchpad. It gives you the full system, the product, and the step-by-step guidance to actually make this happen. I'll leave a link in the description if that's something you're interested in, but even if you never check that out, I want you to take action today. Pick one pillar, start there, and drop a comment below letting me know which one you're focusing on first. I'll see you in the next one.